Hello, today we will guide you through how to open additional account in XM. To begin, go to the XM website and sign in to your member area. Make sure you are logged into the correct account before moving forward, since this process is for creating an additional account under your existing profile. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a moment to get familiar with the top navigation so it's easier to follow the next steps. From there, click on Markets. This will take you to the section where you can view available trading options and access account-related actions. If you don't immediately see the option you need, don't worry. The layout can sometimes feel a little busy, so just stay focused on the menu area. Next, click on the drop-down button. This opens more options connected to your account and trading setup. The drop-down is important because the option to create another account is usually tucked inside this menu rather than displayed directly on the page. Once the drop-down menu appears, click on Create New Account. This is the option that lets you open an additional account without needing to register all over again. It's a quick way to add another account while keeping everything organized under the same main profile. You'll then be asked to choose the type of account you want to open. Click either Demo or Real, depending on what you need. A demo account is useful if you want to practice or test strategies without using live funds. A real account is the right choice if you're planning to trade in a live environment. Be sure to choose carefully, since this will affect how the account can be used. After selecting the account type, click Continue. This moves you to the next stage of setup. At this point, the platform may ask you to confirm some basic preferences tied to the account you're creating. Next, choose your trader option and then click Continue again. This step helps define the account configuration, so take a second to review your selection before moving on. If the wording on your screen looks slightly different, that's normal, as platforms sometimes update their interface. Finally, follow the on-screen procedure to complete the setup. The remaining prompts will guide you through the final details needed to open the additional account. Read each screen carefully, review your selections, and continue until the account is successfully created. And that's it. You've now seen how to open an additional account in XM. If you're setting up more than one account, it's a good idea to double-check each account type and purpose so you can keep them clearly organized.